In another video, I talked about the biggest myths around down payments, including the big one, that you need 20% down to buy a home. If you haven't watched that one yet, I'll link it right here. But today, I want to go deeper because knowing the myths is only half the battle. You also need to know what programs actually exist in Colorado to help you get into a home with less money out of your pocket. So let's go through them one by one. So I'm DC Turner with Navigating Denver, and I help buyers and sellers across the Denver area. And one of the most common things I hear from first-time buyers is, I just don't have enough saved yet. A lot of buyers are closer than they think, and they just don't know what's available to them. So today, 4 programs you should know about. Program number 1, CHFA, the Colorado Housing and Finance Authority. And this is a big one. CHFA is the state's primary homebuyer assistance agency, and it operates statewide. So no matter where in Colorado you are, this applies to you. CHFA offers 2 main types of down payment help, and you pick one or the other. You cannot combine both. So the first is the CHFA Down Payment Assistance Grant, which offers up to 3% of your first mortgage loan amount and does not require repayment. It's free money. So on a $450,000 home, that could be up to $13,500 that you don't have to pay back. The second option is the CHFA Down Payment Assistance Second Mortgage Loan. This one offers up to 4% of your first mortgage amount. This one does have to be repaid, but the repayment is deferred, meaning you do not pay it back until you sell, refinance, or pay off the home. There's no monthly payment for it. So the cap on both options is the lesser of $25,000 or the applicable percentage on the loan. So now for eligibility. All borrowers need a minimum credit score of 620, though there may be exceptions for those with no credit score at all. And there's income limits that apply and vary by county and household size, so your lender can pull the exact number for your situation. You'll need to pay a minimum $1,000 of your own funds towards the purchase, and you'll have to take a home buyer education course, but it's online and it only costs $75. So one important note, CHFA's programs are not limited to first-time buyers. Repeat buyers can qualify too, as long as they meet the income and other requirements. So generally, if you've not owned a home in the past 3 years, you are considered a first-time buyer for program purposes. So the next program is MetroDPA. This one is specific to the Denver metro area, and it's one that I want to highlight because the income limits surprise people in a good way. So MetroDPA is a down payment assistance program open to buyers with qualifying income up to $210,150. That is not a typo. A household earning over $200,000 can still qualify. The program provides zero-interest loans to help reduce upfront costs for low and moderate income Colorado residents in and around the Denver metro area, not just the city of Denver. Even though this is a city program, the area is pretty wide open, even going up to Fort Collins or as south as Lone Tree. This program is specifically designed to help buyers who can handle the monthly mortgage payment, but are struggling to pull together the lump sum needed up front. If that sounds like you, MetroDPA is worth a serious conversation with your lender. So program number 3 is CHAC, the Colorado Housing Assistance Corporation. CHAC is a nonprofit and it serves a slightly different market segment than CHFA. So to qualify for CHAC assistance, your household income needs to be no more than 80% of the area median income where you want to buy. So this is geared towards buyers on the lower end of the income spectrum, but for those buyers, it can be a significant resource. To be eligible, applicants must be legal residents and first-time home buyers who have not owned a home in the previous 3 years. They must disclose income and assets and contribute a minimum of $1,000 towards the purchase. Now, CHAC assistance comes as a second mortgage. It does need to be repaid, but the terms are favorable, and it can be a piece that makes a deal work for a buyer who otherwise could not close. CHAC also offers homebuyer education and counseling, which is a real asset for first-time buyers who want to understand the process from start to finish before they even make an offer. So our final program is the Metro Mortgage Assistance Plus. So this program comes out of Denver's Office of Economic Development, and it works a little differently. The Metro Mortgage Assistance Plus program offers a grant to help low and moderate income families cover the upfront costs of purchasing a home, specifically targeted at clearing the hurdle of the down payment. So the key word here is grant. It's not a loan. You do not pay it back. It is designed to help families who have good income stability, but have not been able to accumulate a significant amount of saving, which honestly describes a lot of people in this market. So check with a participating lender to confirm current income, limits, and availability, as grant funding can be subject to annual allocations. So here's something a lot of buyers do not know. In some cases, it might be possible to layer these programs on top of each other. For example, you might be able to combine a CHFA grant with a local city or county program. A HUD-approved housing counselor or a lender can help you figure out which combinations are allowed. The process for most of these programs runs through your lender, not directly through the agency. So the first step is finding a lender who participates in these programs and knows how to use them, because not every lender does. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. There is a real infrastructure in Colorado designed to help buyers get into homes. These are not obscure loopholes. They are funded, active programs used by real buyers every single month in the Denver area. The barrier for most people is not that the programs do not exist, it's that nobody told them. And now you know. So the next step is getting in front of the right lender and having a real conversation about which programs you qualify for. So if you're thinking about buying in the Denver area and you want help navigating this process, reach out to me directly. I can connect you with lenders who work with these programs every day, and we can put together a plan that actually fits your situation. If you missed my last video on down payment myths, that one goes hand in hand with this one, so go check it out. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.